I love you. You complete me. Oh, so pretty. Oh, hey guys. Yeah, so, boy, if you have not checked out my brand new brand horsepower sweepstakes, we are getting down to the last days of the giveaway. So what do you get? Number one, Vortech V1 Supercharger Kit, AFR 185 aluminum heads, Holley System Max intake, and an Anderson B31 Supercharger cam. And because it's the holidays, we're getting down to the last, LMR $250 gift card just to help you get it installed. Guys, horsepowersweepstakes.com. Jump on there, grab your key tag, you're automatically entered, and may just be sending you a whole lot of horsepower for the holidays. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a new Fox body part. So, here's the thing. The guys at LMR hollered at me and said, hey, we got another banger. And I wasn't really expecting this. Like, they drop new parts all the time. We talk with them and discuss them and go over them, all that. And a lot of them are just resto parts, you know, which are, they're great, obviously, because, you know, we need every part we can get. But this one's a little, this one's a little different, and it's pretty freaking cool. So let's check it out. All right, boys, right here it is. Now, I have not opened this and got to check it out yet. But here it is, fresh from the SV. You gotta don't mind my workbench; it's a little filthy. This is the part. Now, let's talk about what's inside. All right, guys, like I said, I have not seen them yet either. So we're unboxing this together. But I gotta tell you, I'm pretty pumped because, like, I know what it is, but I haven't actually got to see it. Additional parts on. All right. Oh my God. Ooh. So you're asking yourself, Caleb, what in the hell? What is that? All right, I'm fixing to show you. All right, boys, so our old, faithful, trusty Fox bodies. The door handles. So let's talk about the door handles. If you remember back in the 80s, most cars had these type of door handles. They stuck out really far from the body. They didn't open real well. If you're familiar with the Fox body door open, you already know. If not, I'll go ahead and show you. You open towards the end. You put your hand closer to the lock, because a lot of times, now granted, Pop's cars had new handles and all of that, but they get wore out, they're weak and all of that, and so you open here closer to the release rod and they allow you to open it. Well, not only that, so that's two issues. LMR's fixed both of them. Let's check them out. All right, boys, so back at the box, you see your handles here, which bolt, these actually bolt to the car and allow you to open the door, and you can see nice thick, not pot metal, those are solid. But here is your door handles. The cool thing, and unfortunately I don't have them on the car yet, so I can't show you, is they sit flush to the body, unlike the other handles. And not only that, you don't have to rivet them in because they bolt in. I'm gonna take them over here to the car in a minute, but these are sweet. Just stick your hand into there, open them. All right, before we go any farther, let's see what else is in the box. As you can see, parts under is the foam. Let's see what okay, here it is. Got brand new rods, and These, I don't have any of the other, the factory ones. But the reason you have to do the Fox body door open is because these rods are so weak. Well, not anymore. So you got brand new rods. Looks like we've got bushings there for installing the rod in the handle. I don't want to get these dirty. And then of course the other thing you get in the box is the instructions. Let's take a look here. There's your instructions right there. Very cool. And they've got an instruction video that you can just scan the QR code and you'll be able to see exactly how to install them. But they're pretty simple. Now here's the thing with these handles. You can do a number of things. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this brush finish would look pretty sick. Now, I don't know on some colors, but the brush finish itself would look good. But you can paint them body color. You can paint them trim black like factory. I mean, basically whatever you want to do. I freaking love them. All right, let's take these over to the car. So if we're putting them up against the car, and obviously with the door handle there, they're going to sit they're going to sit quite a bit farther in. Like I said, I can't take the door handle out at the moment to show you. But these are going to fit inside that cup, that factory cup. Essentially, let's see, well, the nuts are on there too, but it's going to sit almost flush. God, that's going to look freaking sick. I know a lot of guys have seen that, I think it's Bitchin' Rides or something, that shop sells the Tesla style door handles. But these are going to be a freaking game changer because these are going to smooth out the side of your Fox and make that door handle not so intrusive. And that, my boys, is freaking epic. All right, boys, so I'm going to throw a couple of pictures up on the screen of what the handles look like on the car, and you can just kind of check them out. Showing them in body color, showing them in black, however you want to do them. But my God, it's hard without them being on the car at the moment to say what a difference they're gonna make. But I'm telling you guys, when when I saw them, I was like, holy crap, this is gonna look amazing. And I've got a 92LX that these are written all over. All right, boys, so there you have it. Brand new from LMR. The low profile door handles. I'm telling you guys, these are going to be a game changer. They're stronger. They sit flush. Paint to match. Whatever you want to do with them. They're going to open so much better than factory. This is, I freaking love it. So, again, guys, and if you can't tell, I'm excited. I'm very excited. But huge shout out again to LMR for coming out with these banger parts. I absolutely love them. Just one more thing to make these cars even better. Perform better, look better. That's what it's all about. I freaking love it. Again, hats off to LMR. So if you guys enjoyed this video, boom, big thumbs up. And these will be on sale by the time you see this. So definitely snap some up. They will probably go very fast if I had to assume. But anyway, guys, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.